Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Welcome back to Jersey Family Health. Today, I want to talk about bidets because there was a lot of drama recently in New York. New York City mayor mentioned bidets, installing bidets in his um, residence, and people got upset. I think people who got upset don't know what a bidet is. Bidet is basically any device that shoots water up your woohoo, to clean yourself after you've had a bowel movement or after you have peed, after urination. You can buy really expensive bidets, like thousands of dollars, or just like a $30 bidet from Amazon or Home Depot. I have a lot of those in my house. Almost every bathroom has a bidet. Why use a bidet? Well, obvious reasons. It helps you clean better, much better than toilet paper, right? You're using water. It's like when you hop in the shower to clean yourself, you're doing that while you're on the toilet. So you don't have to shower after every time after you go to the bathroom. But not only that, it has medical benefits. So bidets can really help people if you have hemorrhoids. So when you have hemorrhoid is basically an outpouching of a blood vessel, of a vein in the anus, and it can bleed, it's painful, it hurts, you can't sit down, it gets irritated, it gets itchy. So if you have hemorrhoids and you use a toilet paper and you're doing this movement, you're just making the hemorrhoid worse. You're making it irritated. You can make it bleed more, it can hurt more. So instead, if you use a bidet and you're gently washing yourself with water, the hemorrhoid won't get irritated. And actually, it can help prevent further hemorrhoids. Number two is skin irritation. A lot of people get very dry skin down there, especially women as we get older, perimenopause, postmenopause. The skin of the perineum of that area behind it changes, it becomes dry, it can crack easily. So if you're again using a dry tissue paper or even a wet wipe, it will irritate the skin and it will hurt and bleed. So if you're just gently washing it with water instead, it won't do that. Water is much, much gentler. And then number three is it can, because you're using water to clean yourself and not moving poop all over your anus and leaving microscopic poop there, you just don't see it on the tissue paper, but it's probably still there because you didn't wash it. You just, wiped it with dry paper. If you're using water, then you're really cleaning that area. So the chances of you getting recurrent urinary tract infections will go down, right? So it will keep you clean, not just in the anal area, um, but it will also help prevent recurrent infections. And yeah, that's what a bidet is. You can just, Google bidet, it will show you some pictures. Very easy to use. Again, different designs. Some people just actually use a water bottle. My patients who have especially genitourinary problems or GI problems like hemorrhoids, fissures, or severe constipation, I tell them, okay, don't spend $30 if you don't want to get a bidet. um, just use a water bottle, right? Take a plastic water bottle, um, take it to the bathroom, leave it in the restroom, and before you sit down on the toilet to do your business, fill it up with water in the sink. And then once you're done, just squeeze that water up your anus, and then wipe yourself clean after you have washed. And do this kind of motion with the toilet paper, not this one, right? Just pat yourself dry, and you will see a huge difference. And if you like that, then maybe you can invest in a bidet. And like I said, you don't have to get like $1,000 bidet toilet. Just buy the $30 one from Amazon or Home Depot. So hopefully that will help solve some of the mystery and anxiety around bidets. But if you have any more specific questions, I will try my best to answer them. You can leave me a message, or if you are my patient or you would like to become a patient at Jersey Family Health, you can call us at 732 250 9310. Thank you.